I was calling to find out the pricing to file an LLC in the state of Texas.
Pricing for an LLC is $300 for the filing fee.
$300 for the filing fee. I actually have filed many of them in the past, but I just wanted to call and get an update just to make sure. Okay, okay. And what about? I guess it's so nothing has changed on your price list under the fee schedule on your website on the Texas Secretary of State website. Okay. And my other question would be, since I have you on the phone, can a trust be an officer in the state of Texas?
I believe so. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it can.
Wow. So an actual trust, okay. And you're 100% sure of that? Because I know in Florida they can't, but some states they can. I think Florida they can't, and Wyoming they can. So.
I believe they can. If you like, I can get you over to our staff attorneys. You can kind of run it by them. They'll go through and have the statute. They pretty much write the statute, so they would know. I can get you over to them. You kind of pick their brain a little bit about how that works.
Yeah, that would be great. That would be great.
Alright. Just no worries. Give me 1 second. We'll get you over there.
Please note that while our attorneys make every effort to assist you with your filing questions, the staff attorneys are not authorized to provide legal or business advice to the public. To speak with a staff attorney, leave your name, telephone number, and a brief description of the reason for your call. If your call concerns a specific entity or document, provide the name of the entity, the filing number, and the batch or document number. If we may contact you by email, also provide your email address.
Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Okay, let me get back to here. So, all right, we didn't get a chance to speak to anyone that can give us just 100% confirmation. The gentleman that was on the phone, he seemed like he could have slightly not knew exactly what he was talking about. However, we do know that the fee is $300. I was just confirming with him. It's actually on the Texas Secretary of State website. You look it up under fee schedule. And right here on this page, since we wasn't able to get that answer, I want to give you just a little bit more information as well for this video. 1 second, let me close that now. If you're interested in searching for if you're interested in filing your LLC, you need to come to us anyway. But if you want to go the cheap route and go around us and do it yourself, I want to also teach you. If you come to us, you're going to get our expertise, all of our experience and knowledge over a collective of 30 years. Okay. But anyway, on to that. What I can show you today, just for starters at least, before I get off of this video, because it has to be very, very short, very busy day for us today. You need to go to entity name, and actually this is the website here. I might leave this website in my in the description. I'm not 100% sure, but I told you before to have a pen and piece of paper. If you didn't hear me, now you hear me now. So go ahead and write this out. mycpa.cpa.state.us/search.do. D-O as in do. Okay. So here you just put in a name, and let's say you put in construction NFT. Click here. Click search. Okay, we're gonna do that again because so construction NFT, click here, click search. You can see it wasn't found. That means that this name is available. But if I go here and I just put something like construction, make it very general so it can hit back with something, click search. Search will return an entry. So it's too many entries for that. So let's just put Construction Pro. Alright, now click here, click search, and as you can see, voila, everything put up. It shows 41 matches. So this is everything that is closely associated to the name Construction Pro. Anything that shows up on this list shows up under this search result, then it's not available. And you just do the same thing. So whatever the name of your company that you want to have, all you need to do is find out if it pulls up in the search or not on this particular website. That's it for today. I really have to go. A lot of phone calls coming in, as you can hear. Okay, thank you, and let's move on.